In this video, we're going to show you how to install the hood guard for your Jeep Wrangler located on the front side of your hood. Start by releasing your hood latches. Go ahead and open up your hood and support the hood with your prop rod. And we're going to use some spray solvent to clean up any debris, anything stuck on the bottom side of the hood here. You do this all the way across. Once you've cleaned up the debris and dirt and stuff off the bottom side of the hood, using the alcohol pad supplied, we're going to wipe down the bottom lip here all the way across. Once you've finished wiping this down with the alcohol, do not touch it, let it air dry. We're going to lower the hood, and using a small piece of wood, we're going to go ahead and drop that hood down. We want to go ahead and support that a little bit up off of the grill. I'm going to use some painter's tape. And next thing we want to do is take our hood guard, and we want to go ahead and line this up to the best position on that hood. You want to center that the best possible way. Once we have that lined up, we're going to raise up the hood supporting this, and I'm going to take a piece of tape and I'm going to line it up on here, put that tape there, and then I'm going to break this tape. I'm going to use a razor blade and cut that tape. And what I'm going to use that for, I'm going to use this as an alignment tool. Put on that prop rod. You can now go ahead and remove our guard. On the inside edge of the hood guard, there's a double-sided sticky adhesive on the back side here. We now want to go ahead, you can use whatever tool you want. You could use your finger, you could use a little pocket screwdriver, you could use the edge of your razor blade. Peel that off. Do the same for the other two sections. Now that you have the protective film off, all three pieces are super sticky. Go ahead and spin this around. This is going to stick to the bottom side of your hood. So this is where that piece of tape comes into place. Line that up. Push that hood guard down into place. Line up that piece of tape. And press up, securing that double-sided tape onto the bottom of the hood. It's going to be best with warmer temperatures for this to stick nice and secure. Remove your tape. Remove the block from underneath the hood. Once the hood is down, go ahead and install your hood latches. And you're all set.